Listen carefully and choose the right word based on the I sound. Example sentences. I need to fill this glass with water. Or, I need to fill this glass with water. The correct option is the first one. Fill, but not feel. I'll sit here while you find your phone. Or, I'll sit here while you find your phone. She left the bill on the table for you to see. Or, she left the bill on the table for you to see. They always live before midnight. Or, they always leave before midnight. He cleaned his feet after the game. Or, he cleaned his fit after the game. The hill was hard to climb. Or, the hill was hard to climb. Did you leave your keys here? Or, did you leave your keys here?